Gurgaon, also known as Millennium City, is known for its modern real estate and skyscrapers. It is also famous for its commercial hub DLF Cyber City and some other areas developed by DLF in the vicinity. Hi, I am Naveen Tomar from Quest for Realty, and today in this video I am going to take you to another such location which has always been in news since its inception. Yes, you are probably guessing it right. The location is Sohna Road. And yes, we are also going to discuss connectivity, commercial hubs, social infrastructure, and areas to live nearby. So stay tuned till the end of this video to experience all of this.
Sohna Road has good connectivity via all modes of transport. People using their own vehicle can reach Sohna Road by NH48, Southern Periphery Road, and MG Road as well. In terms of the public transport, the closest metro station is Huda City Centre, which is located at a distance of 15 kilometers. From there, you have multiple options to reach Sohna Road like shared or private autos, taxi, bus or shuttle services, etc. And the good news is that the existing metro line is going to extend and will reach Sohna Road as well.
Due to large influx of corporate tenants, Sohna Road had become quite crowded. In order to tackle that situation, government had come up with a 21-kilometer long elevated road. Once completed, this elevated road will be a great boon for residents, investors and corporate tenants all. The deadline for that elevated road is 31st July 2021.
Sohna Road received its name from the destination it takes you to, that is Sohna. It starts from Rajiv Chowk and ends at Sohna, but in context of Gurgaon, it is generally referred as the area between Rajiv Chowk and Badshahpur Chowk, also known as Vatika Chowk, which is approximately a 5 kilometers long stretch. However, major development starts from Subhas Chowk.
For home buyers looking for an accommodation within the budget range of 75 lakh rupees and above, Sohna Road and the areas in the vicinity offers an excellent proposition. There is sufficient amount of options available for every kind of residential need here. Whether it is one room kitchen apartment, PGs or 5 to 7 BHK premium residences, multi-story apartments, builder floors or villas, there is something for everyone. Some of the major commercial complexes on this road are Vatika Business Park, Best Tech Business Tower, JMD Megapolis and Space iTech Park. And in addition to that, there are a lot of dedicated retail malls and neighborhood markets for your convenient shopping and daily needs. The average rent for an office space at Sohna Road varies from Rs 30 till 65 per square feet depending upon the location, building and the furnishing status of that particular office space. If talking about the sale price, it hovers between 5,500 to 10,500 rupees per square feet depending upon the building, location and the tenancy status of that particular property.
Talking about the social infrastructure, Sohna Road is a fully developed locality and has all the amenities and facilities like shopping malls and markets to look after your daily needs, shopping, dining, and wellness, etc. Apart from small clinics, Park and Medanta are the most prominent hospitals in this locality.
Thank you for watching our videos. Keep sharing, keep liking our videos, and if you want us to cover some more locations or any specific project, then mention them in the comment section below. And hey, it takes a lot of hard work, efforts and research to make all these videos. So if you really liked our work, then please do subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. So if you want to explore some more locations like this or some other projects, then click on the I button above.